Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to show you the power of Ohanashi AI Generator. This is a complete storybook creator, publishing, marketing tool, traffic tool, the whole shebang. It creates products for you, both digital and physical that you can sell online. And there's a ton of things. It creates read-along audio and read-along video. Before that, I want to check out some keywords, the niches to target. I'm going to go after my presets here. I'm going to go to Storybook. I'm going to put in here subject, I don't know, lion and audience, kids. And I'm going to click build speed, line storybook for kids. I'm going to click fetch. If you want to get Kumu Amazon, I'll have this as an upgrade for Ohanashi AI Gen if you'd like. Okay, anyways, this is a tool I use to find niches. And now it's scoring, going about looking for different keywords along these lines to help me suss out any good markets that I can jump into. Okay, any second now this is going to stop scoring and it's going to give me these results. Okay, books about lions. Okay, cool, lion story for kids. This isn't so bad. Toddler book about lions. I want something more exact, something extra. Let me see here. The Lion and the Mouse. This is a classic book. I think it's public domain. Lion and Tiger story for kid. I like this. I'm going to take this. Audience low count. Cool. And age range. I'm going to use Ohanashi now. 3 to 5 years old. Plot line. Give me an idea. Lion and story for kids. Generate idea. So I don't have to create my own. A lion and a tiger build a red boat to cross the wide pond and share sweet fruit with friends. Okay, I'll use this idea. Cool. So, the AI it even gives you ideas. You don't have to put in any prompts whatsoever. Author name, Jane Taguchi. I can also have this create a name for me. Children book illustration. We got some art styles. Digital painting, cartoon, anime, kawaii. I'm going to go with kawaii. Okay, and then I want some names, so suggest character names. Let's go with I'm gonna go with this one, Leo and Taiga. I'm gonna get rid of these other guys. Leo and Taiga. Leo the lion, and Taiga the tiger. That makes sense. Okay, and preferred count. I'll let it go for 10 to 40 per page. Target 30 words. That's not bad at all. Let's go with preferred page count. I'm going to keep it at 0. Word count automatic, manual. Pictures every page. Variation, I'll keep it at 1. Okay. Auto generate book cover. I'm going to actually, yes, I want this, and include the title on cover. Well, yes. And I want this trim size, 8.5 by 8.5. Click generate story, and let's see what it creates. Let's go up top here. As you can see, the story is being generated. This takes a little bit, about 4 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to pause the video now and come back to you once it's done.
A few moments later.
Okay, so here we are. Our story is done, 8.5 by 8.5. We got a bunch of trim sizes here that we can change it to if we want. Okay, 8.5, 8.5, here's classic children's book. Page count of 4. Here we have the book cover. This is like a rough draft. Okay, but I want to go over the story here. Look at the page count. Leo the lion sees a wide pond. Taiga the tiger stands by his side. Let us go see our friend, said Leo with a big smile. And here we have these 2 characters, okay? And as you can see, the characters remain consistent. Let me go down the line. They're consistent. As you can see, they're still consistent, okay? It's really cool. Everything's consistent, okay? This is a really cool game changer. And the story also works as well. They join the wood with rope by hand. Leo pulls hard while Taiga ties tight knots. Is it strong now? Said Taiga with a grin. And you can see here the story. The bright red boat rests by the pond. The water moves with small waves. Leo and Taiga smile at their fine work together. And yeah, the story just works perfectly. They push the boat into the pond. The ducks swim near as the boat moves. They reach green trees on the far side. Very good, and everything works together with the story. And now we have a several different types of ways to download this. We can do it. Let's we can recreate the book title if we want. Sorry, the book cover if we want. We can work on it separately if we want. All kinds of things, but I want to go with the download section here. Okay, so download front cover, download back cover, download cover. Okay, I want to download the entire book, so I just have to go up here. Actually, I want to export story. I want to go to export story like that. And I want to keep it 8.5, 8.5, trim sizes. I can change the name here if I want. Select character. Okay. We're going to go with this character here. And I can put my own website in here if I want. I can put in optional sentence at the top. For more fun educational stories of books, visit the QR code below. A QR code if you want. Okay. Here's a copyright. Include chapter pages. I opt for no. When it comes to kids' books, you want to keep it simple. No page numbers, by the way, for kids' books. Okay. And font size 18, really good. You want to get it over 17. That's considered large print. Again, ideal for kids. Body fonts. Let me see here. Let's go with Verdana. Let's do it after page. Now check this out. Export story. Open this new one up, and we got the title page. We got a little character there. We got a QR code if you want to add it there. We have our text. We can make this center, of course, and we got our first image. Boom, text, boom, and that's how you build out a kid's book. Okay, really cool. Now, what I'm going to do with this book in the next video. Oh, by the way, I can change it up to I can change it up to 6:9. This is perfect for Kindle. This is for digital products on Amazon. Okay, this is a great way to sell your physical book, is give away a digital copy of it with an audio. Okay, and then when they get that digital book on Kindle, they're gonna want a physical copy. I know because I have kids. This is what I do. Okay, so that's another thing we can do. Okay, with that. Yeah, in the next video, I'm going to show you the other possibilities with audio, with the book cover mock-up. This is for other platforms like Etsy, video with audio. So you can get traffic via YouTube and YouTube Shorts, all that cool stuff. Okay. As you know, kids channels are really profitable and really popular. Like the biggest YouTube channels on earth, they're mostly the top 10. They're all kids channels, right? That makes sense. Anyways, I'm talking too much. I'll save it for the next video. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day. Be good.